Hey guys, and welcome back to a vlog. This is gonna be my first vlog. You guys are on the new camera. This is a new camera I just recently purchased because I figured using my DSLR is too zoomed in and I wanted something that was a little bit wider, so I just went with this camera. So today I'm gonna be basically installing these. These are just gonna be brighter tail lights or brighter bulbs for my tail lights right here. So basically those lights, I'm gonna be making them brighter so that way the LED can have more of a pop to it. So I'm just gonna jump right in. If you guys haven't done this before, I'll run through the process of it. It's pretty simple for both left and right sides. Mine might differ depending on if you have a GTI, Jetta, whatever, R32. I'm not sure if the R32 is the same, but so I got these off of Amazon, and I'm not sure if they'll fit, but they're pretty generic, so I just figured all of them would work for each other. So let's see. So they're basically just little LED bulbs like that, nothing special. As you guys can see, I'm pretty sure everyone has this Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna replace this center bulb, and I have a clear bulb as my fog light, so I'm gonna just swap that out with one of these ones that I have, since I have 4. I wish I had something to set you guys on that you guys could see this whole thing, but okay. So I got the left bulb in. I'm gonna turn them both on so that way you guys can get a comparison. So this is the stock OEM bulbs. So full LED bulbs here, and then halogens over there. You can't really see much. The difference is a lot better in person. I still got some to do. I'm not fully all the way done yet. I still gotta do like the reverse lights. If you guys want these bulbs for your Jetta, GTI, R32, whatever, I'll leave a link in the description. But I got these, and these were BA15S. That's what they're called. And the box says 5735. But yeah, those are BA15As or 15S. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and just kind of give you guys like a quick install. But yeah, if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more of this video, more of these videos, if you guys just want to just stick around and watch some car stuff, I'm totally down with that. It's my GTI's bumper. I just have it sitting in my garage. Pretty funny, people walk by and they see this in the background. They're probably just like, why does he have a whole bumper for the... My GTI is sitting outside, it's a VR6, and that's what I plan on putting into here. So if you guys want to see that video, if you guys want to see me install any of this stuff that I have laying down here, basically a Mark IV heaven in this garage, just leave a like, leave a comment. If you guys have any questions about any mods that I've done, go ahead and ask me, and I'll just make a whole separate video on it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for sticking around for this video, but I appreciate you guys. I just wanted to come out here and show my face a little bit, but yeah, if you guys want to you know, check out the build a little bit more, I'll leave my, oh my goodness, check that out. I'll leave my socials in the description so you can check them out. But yeah, that's basically the build right there. I know you can't really see much, but basically my apartment garage build. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.